Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up a Voxtelesys SIP trunk in the 3CX admin console. To start, log into 3CX. Go to the 3CX admin console, select the Voice and Chat tab. Press this button to set up a SIP trunk. Enter the SIP trunk's general information. You'll find the necessary details in the Voxtelesys portal. Choose the United States from the Country drop-down menu. Select Voxtelesys as your preferred SIP trunk carrier. Type the main trunk number in the E164 format, as this is required to correctly route SMS messages. All other phone numbers entered on the SIP trunk should also be in the E164 format. Retrieve both the authentication ID and the authentication password from Voxtelesys and enter them here. Go to the Options tab to enter the default outbound caller ID, which is the number that's displayed in outbound calls. Go to the DID Numbers tab if you want to add more phone numbers on the SIP trunk. Press this button to add phone numbers manually. You could also press this button to import numbers from a text file. Your file should look something like this. Please note that each number should be on a separate line. After you create the file, press this button to import it. Go to the SMS tab if you want to enable messaging on this SIP trunk. Check this box to enable SMS. Next, you'll have to copy and paste this webhook into a Voxtelesys messaging API. Navigate to the Voxtelesys portal and open the Messaging Applications tab. Open a messaging API and paste the webhook here. Go to the Keys tab in the portal to retrieve the API key. Back in the 3CX admin console, copy and paste the API key here. If you do not have a messaging API set up, check out our guide on the topic. The link will be in the description. Click on Save when you're done configuring the Voxtelesys SIP trunk. Verify that the SIP trunk is registered. You should see a green icon next to it. If you run into any issues, edit your SIP trunk by clicking on the three-dot icon, then update the authentication information and click on Save. If needed, refresh your registration. If you're still having issues with getting the SIP trunk to register, please contact Voxtelesys support. The support number is 701-929-9797. And the support email address is support@voxtelesys.com. Once the SIP trunk is saved and registered, set where you want it to route to. Click on this link to do so. An optional setting you can set is assigning DID numbers to route directly to this SIP trunk. Select the numbers from this drop-down menu. Set the destinations for calls based on when the office is open, closed, on break, or on holiday. Another feature you can configure is 3CX Live Chat and Talk. This is where you can place a link to either your email signature or website to allow people to call with a single click. Type in a friendly name for your SIP trunk in lowercase and as one word. Set what information you'll ask your customers for when they open this link. Click on Save when you're finished setting up where the SIP trunk will route to. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Voxtelesys SIP trunk in the 3CX admin console. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.